Today we're going to go over the latest updates of our most recent TMS release. We're going to start out with a new functionality from our relay integration in regards to lumper code generation. You're going to see a new tab here under Tools Preferences. That'll be called Express Codes. Again, linking to existing functionality that we have with EFS, but now with an option to generate these codes from relay. So you'll be adding this new option, selecting a relay lumper codes as the type, putting in your name, the company within your account that you want it to be associated with, as well as in the API key provided from your relay reps upon requesting the integration itself. Once that's saved, you'll be able to create the lumper codes directly from the express codes list, but more frequently directly from the order itself. So we'll open up an order here. Again, you're going to see your express codes tab, and you will be able to click add. We're going to be adjusting the provider to be auto-filled out from the first one within the tools and preferences. You can adjust it if you do have multiple ones, but you will have the option of filling out a wire code to pre-fill out your invoice and company expense account. Again, that won't be required, but you will have to select the stop that the lumper code is associated with. So we'll use our order pickup for this example, with an option to adjust an expiration date. Otherwise, there'll be a default of 30. So we can add a custom one here, as well as our amount limit for this specific code. If we need to input any notes, we can do that as well. We will be clicking apply. If everything goes through correctly via the API, we'll get a reference number in our code here that we can provide to the driver as well. And once the code is used, you'll see an amount used filled out with an applicable fee, with a total amount updated there for you. You also have an option to add an accessorial directly from this window if needed, similar to the functionality that we have under Extra Pay, which will have the intermediate pop-up show up here for you, where you can then add your description if needed and attach this to the specific invoice for the order. Again, you can do this directly from the order or from the express codes list itself. Next change we have is a small adjustment to the calculation of our invoice age here. Once an order is moved to the completed status, your invoice age will obviously now stop calculating, so we'll get you more accurate historical records of those, as opposed to that number previously continuing to go up. So small adjustment there. And then the last change regarding this specific release will be in regards to our PrePass integration for tolls. We have now updated it to work via API. So you'll have to request these specific credentials from PrePass and sign off on a data share form, and then they will be sending you your specific credentials for that API, which will be input here under the login and password under Tools and Preferences, but then your same account number as well. So that will provide for a more consistent and secure connection. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.